Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix at this time your account is not eligible to use this feature. Try again later. So guys, if you are facing this problem on your Instagram account while going to live, so guys, how can you fix it? So guys, you can fix it very easily. First of all, you have to make sure that you have an active internet connection and there is not connected any of the VPN. And after that, scroll down and then tap on journal, scroll down and tap on language or region, and you have to make sure that your language and region is correct. If live region is not in your country, so guys, simply change your region and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then open up the App Store and search here for Instagram. And from here guys, just simply update the Instagram app from here. So guys, after updating your Instagram app, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still having this problem, then you have to just simply visit the Instagram help center and report a problem that you are unable to that you are not be able to use the Instagram live feature. So guys, describe your problem to Instagram help center and they will try to fix your problem within 24 hours. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helped you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.